The more a phone accumulates data and temporary files, you will notice that its performance becomes poorer. That's often the most common reason why smartphones start to run slow after a few months of use. In this video, we will show you how to fix a Galaxy S22 that's running slow. But before we move on, we will greatly appreciate it if you like and share our video to support us. Going back to our topic, here are the things you can do to fix a problem like this. First solution, close all apps running in the background. If it's the first time you encountered the problem, then perhaps it's just due to some apps that are left running in the background. So the first thing you should do is to close them. Just tap on the Recents key to view them, and then tap Close All to force stop all of them. After doing that, try to see if your Galaxy S22 is now running smoothly. If it's still slow, then try the next solution. Second solution, force restart your phone. Another procedure that is also very effective in fixing this kind of problem is the forced restart. So if the first solution fails, this should be the next thing you should do. To do that, press and hold the volume down and power keys together for 8 seconds. This triggers the device to shut down. Wait for the Samsung logo to show on the screen before releasing the keys. After the reboot, observe your phone to know if the performance issue is fixed. If not, then try the next procedure. Third solution, check the storage and delete unnecessary data. One of the reasons why a phone like the Galaxy S22 runs slow is when there isn't enough storage left. That should also be one of the things you should check, especially if you're taking or recording a lot of photos and videos. To do that, just launch the Settings app, scroll down and then tap Battery and Device Care. Tap Storage and then check if your phone still has enough left. If necessary, you can delete some of your videos and photos that you don't need anymore or uninstall some apps you don't. However, if there is still enough storage left on your phone, then move on to the next solution. Fourth solution, reset all settings of your phone. There are times when performance issues are caused by some settings. So what you need to do next is to reset all settings without deleting any of your data. Here's how it's done. Pull up the app drawer and then tap the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General Management. Tap Reset and then tap Reset All Settings. Tap Reset Settings and enter your security lock if prompted. Tap Reset to proceed with settings reset. After the reboot, try to see if your phone is now working properly and smoothly, because if still not, then move on to the next solution. Fifth solution, factory reset your Galaxy S22. After doing every solution and your phone is still running slow, then you have no other choice but to reset it. But before that, make sure to back up your important files as they will be deleted. When ready, follow this procedure. Pull up the app drawer and then tap Settings. Scroll down and select General Management. Find and tap Reset. Select Factory Data Reset. Scroll down and tap Reset. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Delete All. Enter your password and tap OK to confirm. After the reset, set up your phone as a new device and it should run smoothly now that you've reset it. We hope that we've been able to help you one way or another. You may subscribe to our channel or click one of our videos to continue watching. Have a great day.